Well, hello there, and good evening, everyone. I'm William Brantley from the North Jackson, Tennessee area at University Village Apartments on Walker Road near Westtown Commons Shopping Center, getting ready to share with you today's climate summary and give you a forecast for the next few days shortly. I apologize for running so late today. I've been having computer problems trying to figure out what's going on with some of the add-ons on my computer, but I think I just found a solution, and hopefully it's working a lot better now. So let me get going, especially since I'm running so late. Okay, first of all, I'll go ahead and read you the stats, and then I'm going to show you the various other graphs. I'm going to go back to 5 p.m. I should give you a most recent one. But, well, if I can get my breath. I'll just go ahead and go with 5 p.m. readings. The skies were partly cloudy here at that time. The temperature was 84 degrees. The dew point was 66 degrees. The humidity was 55%. The wind was out of northeast at 8 miles per hour, and the barometric pressure was 29.95 inches of mercury. Today's low temperature was a pleasant 61 degrees. Today's high was 89 degrees. No rain fell here since midnight. And incidentally, I'm up to 4.65 inches for the month of August, and 35.63 inches for the year so far. I'm 1.89 inches above normal for August, and 43/100 of an inch below normal for the year. So that yesterday's 2.10 inches that I had really put me up there. Almost caught me up to normal for the year. Which, if the forecast holds true, I'll be going over the normal for the year, especially, I'd say, by Friday morning anyways, if not sooner. Alrighty. Today's lowest relative humidity was 43% at 2 and 3 p.m. The highest would be 100% at 12, 2, and 4 through 7 a.m. The lowest barometric pressure would be 29.95 inches, and that occurred at 4 and 5 p.m., while the highest would be 30.02 inches, and that occurred at 9 a.m. through 12 p.m. Today's highest wind gust at the Jackson, Tennessee airport was 14 miles per hour out of the north at 2:05 p.m. Alrighty, I'll go ahead and give you today's records for August 29th. They would be hottest high 103 in the year 2000. The coolest high would be 77 degrees in 1988. The warmest low would be 77 degrees in 1990. And the coldest low would be 48 degrees in 1986. And today's rainfall record would be 2 inches in 2005. Okay, let me go ahead and give you, I'll show you some of the, one of the maps, and then I'll read you the forecast. There's one map in particular that I want to show you. Then I'll come back to me, I guess. One of them is this. We are now under a flash flood watch for portions of West Tennessee, including Madison County. This is in dark green here. You see the counties included. Goes on down to Oxford, Mississippi, and just about, no, not quite to Clarksdale, Mississippi, but it covers Memphis, Jackson, Dyersburg, Paris, Union City, and Lexington, and a few other locations. It does not include southeast West Tennessee yet, but I'm sure they'll be included before the whole time frame is up. It is a flash flood watch in green, valid from 1 p.m. tomorrow, August the 30th, till 7 p.m. Friday, September 1st, for the potential of 6 inches or more of rain accumulation possible over a 3-day period, not all at one time, but over a 3-day period. But 6 inches of rain over a 3-day period is still a lot of rain. Thus, the flash flood watch is valid until then, and probably will have some warnings within the next 24 to 36 hours or so, probably. Okay, let me get back here, then I'll read you the forecast for the next few days. It looks like, let me see if I can get that back up. Okay, looks like we're going for very cloudy conditions till around midnight. Then it should become mostly cloudy about that time. We should have, which will lead to tomorrow being mostly cloudy. There's a 40% chance of some showers by tomorrow morning around sunrise. Then there's a 60% chance of showers and thunderstorms toward noon tomorrow. And that increases to an 80% chance by mid-evening tomorrow evening around 9 or 10 o'clock p.m. with the low near 69 and a high of 79. Ooh, it's going to be cool tomorrow. Cooler at least, with east winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Now, before I get too far, let me share with you that the sun setted, or set might be a better word, at 7:26 p.m. this evening, and it'll be rising tomorrow morning at 6:26 a.m. right at 11 hours of darkness. How about that? Kind of neat to know that. Set it at 7:26 p.m. and rise tomorrow morning at 6:26 a.m. 11 hours of darkness. Alrighty, and the moon rose at 1:57 p.m. It'll be setting tonight or early in the morning at 12:31 a.m. and be rising tomorrow afternoon at 2:49 p.m. And today is the full first quarter moon phase. That happens today. Alrighty, let me move on to Thursday's forecast. Thursday and Friday, see if I can get this, would be easy to read. Okay. Thursday, mostly cloudy with a 90% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Rain could be heavy at times with a low near 69 and a high of 79 with east winds at 15 to 30 miles per hour. It'll probably be the winds from the remnants of Tropical Storm Harvey, which will be a depression by the time it actually gets here. And I'll show you the ideal of the track in here a little bit. On Friday, it should be mostly cloudy with a 90% chance of showers and thunderstorms till Friday night. And remember, the flash flood watch ends at 7 p.m. Friday night, which is about sunset time. Then there's a 50% chance of just showers for the remainder of Friday night, at least through midnight anyways. A low near 68 is expected Friday morning, a high of 74, with southeast winds at 10 to 20. And on Saturday, it's going to be fair skies right now from midnight till noon, roughly, and then briefly become mostly cloudy during the afternoon hours with a 50% chance of showers till sunset or Saturday night, and then become fair again. That's going to be a mixed up Saturday, huh? With a low near 66 and a high of 81 with southwest winds at 10 to 20. And let me go ahead and try to give you Sunday and Monday, since we do have a holiday coming up. Sunday looks like it's going to be fair skies. Hold on a minute, please. with the low Sunday morning near 66 and a high of 85, with west winds at 10 to 20. And on Labor Day, happy Labor Day by the way, Monday, September the 4th, mostly clear skies right now, with a low near 66 and a high of 87, with west winds at 10 to 20. Looks like a great weekend coming up for Sunday and Monday as of right now, and part of Saturday. Saturday afternoon might get some rain, but that'd be about it. Be the leftovers of the tropical depression Harvey, I'm sure. All right, let me move on to the surface map features, courtesy of Weather Underground. I'll try to show them to you right now. I wish I could do it like this on, excuse me, on Facebook Live, but it won't let me. Alright, I'll hold it up a little bit so you can see the low a little bit better. There's a low pressure system located right along the Tennessee-Kentucky border with a trough or a very weak cold front stretching to another low up in Michigan. There's another storm system that's sort of like a tropical storm off of the Virginia, North Carolina coast and stretching on out to a front way on up there, wherever that's located. And then south of us, there it is. There's a high pressure over the Caribbean Islands, I guess you call it, or Bahama Islands. Bahama Islands over there. Low pressure system, that's a stationary front right along the Gulf Coast. That low there is Tropical Storm Harvey, and it's projected. Let me see if I can do that with this map. I'm going to try something and see if it'll work. If I can get my camera to be still long enough. I believe the last I saw is Harvey's going to go right along in here, kind of right in here. I think it's going to take that track. I went a little fast, so I didn't mean to. But it should be coming over Memphis and Jackson sometime Friday morning. And then going a little bit to Kentucky and who knows where from there. So that'd be something to sort of look forward to, if you call it something. That'd be something to look forward to. Alright, now look at the rest of the country. There's some highs and lows out west, several of them. There's another front well to our north, way up in Canada and part of the northern plains states there. There's more highs and lows there, and of course you know there's flash flooding down in the southern states there. Alrighty, that's the map features. Let's look at the local radar now out of Memphis, courtesy of AccuWeather. We don't have anything, oops, I need to get that so I can see it. So I can see what I'm showing you. No rain here in Jackson yet. None's expected tonight. Maybe by late tomorrow evening, a little after sunset, might start getting them here. Unless they kind of move up a little quicker. There is a little bit of a shower up there in Obion County, near Union City, but it looks like that last loop is trying to die down some. There's some up scattered around western Kentucky, southwestern Kentucky. Few showers southeast of Tupelo. They're dying down now though. And there was some over here. There they are. That's up near Jonesboro, Arkansas, west, north, and northeast of Jonesboro, Arkansas. They're not really going nowhere. They look like they have a little bit of a drift to the southwest, which kind of gives you an idea that we're getting the extreme northern fringes effect of that tropical storm already. Plus we have that cold front to our north, or trough to our north, that could be contributing also, both of them together. But for now, Jackson and Madison County, Tennessee is in the clear. Alright, let's go with the southern regional map. And I think that'd be it for tonight. This is the satellite and radar combo thank you, AccuWeather. Most of northern half of Florida is cloudy with scattered showers. It's sunny, or the moon's probably shining good down there in southern Florida, Miami, Key West, down in that area. It's so-so down in Cuba, if you want to know that. Kind of partly cloudy to very cloudy over in North Carolina. There's some rain off of the Maryland, New Jersey coast. Not a whole lot going on along the coastline of the Carolinas. Maybe that tropical storm over there has done moved offshore far enough to get out of the picture. There's some scattered showers and storms down along the Gulf Coast there. There's Harvey. It looks like it's about to get ready to move inland again, right along the Texas-Louisiana border. And clear over here. Boy, I wish we had that weather. Tennessee, mostly cloudy. There's a few little minor clear spots, but looks like we're fixing to go into some cloudy conditions here. Still a little thin overcast some though, even south of us, but by midnight it'll probably be mostly cloudy, if not sooner. But even down here, the clouds are sort of broken up a little bit. Really don't get thick till you go down here to southern Arkansas. That'll be tomorrow's weather, most likely. Let me see if I can do what I did a while ago again on this map. I'm going to try one more time. I don't know how well it'll work. It's going to go from kind of like this. Harvey's going to do something like that. It's the latest projection I saw. Alright. I think that's it for tonight, my friends. Enjoy this nice evening, calm night, despite the few clouds we have around the area. And look forward to some rain, excuse my eyes here, by tomorrow evening, probably after sunset, unless they develop a little sooner. And then look out Thursday and Friday, especially Thursday afternoon through Friday morning probably, for some heavy thunderstorms and heavy rain for the potential of up to maybe 6 inches in some locations of West Tennessee through at least 7 p.m. Friday night. Alrighty, that's it for tonight, folks. Good night. God bless all of you. I hope all of you have sweet dreams. I hope you wake up to a beautiful Wednesday, August 30th, 2017. And I hope we get a chance to get with you again tomorrow evening. And until then, good night, my friends, and God bless you.